hear anybody complain about, I don't have a work truck. I don't got a big truck to do jobs. Man, just use what you got. I use my family car, Dodge Journey. It gets it done. I know people that have started out of a car, not even a truck before. I actually know someone who works out of his car, and he acquires like $5,000 window cleaning jobs. So don't get discouraged. Don't feel like I need to have this giant brand, fleet of trucks, $1 million, company to be successful, or to get customers, or to get business, or to get clients, What you got is enough, yourself. If there's a will, there's a way to do it. Just got to get after it. Building a business takes time. One job at a time. And it is a slow build-up to get customers, a very slow process. There's times I wanted to quit, times I questioned everything, but I didn't give up. And things are still not where I want it to be. I hope things get way, way better than what they are now. I'm getting the bills paid though. I'm not working for another boss. I'm working for myself. And that's success to me. It used to take me 10-hour days to make $250, $300. Now I can do that in a couple hours time, sometimes an hour. So yeah, having your own business, it's gratifying, it's satisfying.